Hey there, street smart students. Today I'm breaking down VSEPR theory like a pro. Imagine atoms as gangsters in a mafia group. Each gangster, or atom, brings their bodyguards, which are electrons, to the meeting. Now these bodyguards hate each other. They repel. So to keep the peace, they spread out as much as possible around the central gangster. That's VSEPR theory. Electron groups arrange themselves to minimize repulsion, deciding the shape of the molecule. The key rule here is farthest away, least trouble. Just like when you and your friends sit in a room, you try to keep some distance to avoid bumping elbows, electron pairs do the same. More space means less repulsion. Now remember this, lone pairs or LPs are like VIP bodyguards. They're aggressive and need more space. Bonding pairs or BPs are like normal bodyguards. They share space between atoms. Since LPs are selfish and pushy, they squeeze the bonds and distort the shape. Let's check out some streetwise shapes. No lone pairs. These are the good boys. With two electron groups, that's BP-BP, you get a linear shape at 180 degrees. Picture two people in an empty park sitting at opposite ends of a bench. Example, CO2. With three electron groups, BP-BP-BP, it's trigonal planar at 120 degrees. Imagine three friends sitting around a round table. Example, BF3. With four electron groups, BP-BP, BP-BP, you get a tetrahedral shape at 109.5 degrees. Four people holding hands form a pyramid-like structure. Example, CH4. Now when lone pairs come into play, they're the bullies. With four electron groups, BP, 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 LP, you get a trigonal pyramidal shape around 107 degrees. Picture three friends on a couch, but a big guy, LP, sits on top pushing them. Example, NH3. With four electron groups, BP, BP, LP, LP, you get a bent shape around 104.5 degrees. Two people squished at one end of a table because two bossy LPs take space. Example, H2O. More lone pairs, more drama. With five electron groups, BP, 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 you get trigonal bipyramidal like PF5. With 6 BP, 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 you get octahedral like SF6. If lone pairs enter, things get wild seesaw, SF4. One LP pushes the structure like a broken seesaw, T-shaped, CLF3. Two LPs push bonds into a T-linear, XEF2. Three LPs gang up and force two bonds in a line. So here's the golden takeaway. Lone pairs are bullies. They take up more space and distort bond angles. More lone pairs equal more distortion and asymmetry. Bonding pairs just want peace and try to adjust. Final cheat code for VSEPR, count total valence electrons of the central atom, distribute electrons into bonds and lone pairs. Lone pairs will bully bonding pairs, reducing angles. Predict shape based on the spread out as far as possible rule, and that's it. Now you know VSEPR the street smart way. If anyone asks, just say, electrons hate each other, lone pairs are bullies, and molecules shape themselves to keep the peace.